In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Zoom account. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive into the process. First and foremost, you'll need to access the Zoom website through a web browser. This step can't be done in the mobile app, so be sure to open up your favorite browser and head to zoom.com. Once you're there, log in with your credentials. It's essential to have your username and password handy for this part, so let's go ahead and get that done. Once you're logged in, look to the upper right-hand corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on that icon, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you want to select Settings. This action will redirect you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your account. Next, we need to get to the account settings specifically for account management. Look at the left side of the screen. Scroll down until you find the Admin section. Here, you should see an option for Account Management. Click on that, and then select Account Profile. This is where you'll be able to manage your account details and, importantly for us, initiate the deletion process. Now that you're in the Account Profile section, it's time to actually terminate your account. Look for a button that says Terminate My Account. This button signifies the beginning of the termination process, so go ahead and click it. At this point, Zoom wants to verify your identity to protect your account, so you'll need to complete a security check. Look for the option that says Send Code. Click on it, and a verification code will be sent to your registered email address. Once you receive that code, go back to the Zoom page and enter it into the designated space. Great job! You're almost there. After entering the verification code, you'll be prompted to take one final action. Click on Delete to permanently erase your account and all associated data. However, I cannot stress this point enough. Once your account is deleted, it is permanently gone and cannot be recovered. So before you click Delete, make sure you've downloaded any important cloud recordings or data you want to keep. This is crucial because once you make that final click, all that data is lost forever. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted your Zoom account. If you followed these steps, congratulations on completing the process. If you found value in this video and learned something new today, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching, and